So this machine is here to replace the mini press. The mini press is well known as a drilling machine an insertion machine for hinges, but from the top. The nice thing about the Gannomat Express is that it all drills from the bottom. And this does a couple of things for you. It speeds up the process with a cycle time of 5 seconds. Chips are evacuated through the bottom and the face of your door is up, leaving it unscratched. You come in, sandwich your door. Both the heads are set up for 2 hinges. If this is the face of your door, it's face up instead of being down like a mini press where your guy is sliding it around, scratching it constantly. And then with the push of a button, you have 2 magazines that feed the hinges down. Push the button, it comes in, drills, and in 5 seconds you have 2 hinges inserted. Whereas the mini press, your guy would come in, drill, blow a bunch of chips everywhere, put a hinge in, maybe press it down, maybe it's deep enough, maybe it's not, you don't know. And then he has to move, slide this thing over on the face of the door, put it to the head, and do that all over again. It takes about 50 seconds. And I did some rough calculations based on paying a guy about $15 an hour. And this machine, just off flat pay, would save you about $1 a minute. So if you sit there, after 1 hour of drilling with a mini press, compared to this, you would already be saving yourself $60.